Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive accessories and exploring what we believe are the best truck seat covers on the market. Introducing the BDK PolyPro car seat covers, full set in charcoal on black. Now, when it comes to protecting your truck seats from wear and tear, this set has you covered, quite literally. These seat covers aren't just your average run-of-the-mill covers. They're engineered with durability, style, and ease of installation in mind. Let's start with durability. Made from high-quality polyester material, these covers are built to withstand the daily rigors of life on the road. Whether you're hauling cargo, tackling off-road adventures, or simply commuting to work, these covers provide reliable protection for your seats. And speaking of protection, the universal fit design ensures that these covers are compatible with most trucks on the market. Whether you drive a Ford, Chevy, Dodge, or Toyota, these covers will fit like a glove. But protection doesn't mean sacrificing style. The charcoal on black color scheme and two-tone design with stitched accents add a touch of sophistication to your truck's interior. It's like giving your seats a stylish makeover. Now, let's talk about ease of installation. One of the best features of these seat covers is how easy they are to install. With the included installation instructions and videos, you'll have these covers on your seats in no time. But don't just take our word for it. Customers all around the world have praised these seat covers for their comfort, durability, and stylish design. It's no wonder they're consistently rated as one of the best truck seat covers on the market. So, if you're looking to protect your truck seats while adding a touch of style to your ride, look no further than the BDK PolyPro car seat covers full set. Trust us, your truck will thank you.